Well, hello. We are in Glasgow Green, or at Glasgow Green. Quite surprising, isn't it? Well, because we live in Glasgow, we've been thinking, how is it actually to do van life in a Scottish city? So we thought this would be the perfect opportunity to test van life in Glasgow, because Glasgow is Scotland's largest city. Isn't there any better opportunity? We noticed that this spot came up on Park for Night sometime this year, and it's getting more and more popular, and we thought, well, before it gets too popular, let's test it. And we can see why it is so popular. So we've got the River Clyde over here, and then over here is the football pitch. And if you walk further over here, then you're pretty much in the middle of Glasgow Green. So in the summer, people stopped here and had their camping seats out and things like that, and were enjoying the sun. Obviously, it's October now, and I don't think we'll even get our awning out. So we're going to make some dinner, and then we're going to head off to a pub because it's so central. And yeah, we'll just enjoy the evening. And then tomorrow, we're off to a pretty historic place for breakfast. So stay tuned for that. Got the gas on, got the table, and we're ready for Chef Ian.
So what delicacies will I bestow upon Joanna today? I'm going to make mac and cheese. I mean, it's nothing fancy, dead easy to make in here.
So this is a Friday evening, and I think everyone is taking the dogs out. And I must admit, if you come here, it's pretty busy. That's what you would expect, right? If you have done van life in big cities, please let us know how you go about it, because this is obviously not stealth camping. But Ian kindly reminded me that
We have camper written on the side. So I don't think we can be stealthy at all. Plus with the pop top.
I mean, that might give away a hint.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you're wondering who are these two van life newbies, we're Ian and Joanna, and we actually only got our van a few months ago. So if you'd like to join us on our van life trips, particularly in Scotland, then please feel free to subscribe. We didn't bring a cheese grater.
No, I'm just going to break it up. It's fine. I already thought about that. Don't worry about it.
Feel a little bit like when we carve pumpkins. This knife isn't the best. And if you're saying, well, I have no clue where Glasgow Green is, I want to stay somewhere central when visiting Glasgow. Basically, so first of all, Glasgow Green is one of the attractions here. Glasgow is a very green city. It's won awards, hasn't it? It's like,
Don't know, to be honest.
one of the greenest cities in the UK or something like that.
Is that?
Aye.
I honestly don't know.
I might be talking absolute rubbish. But yeah, so if you walk through Glasgow Green, which is now essentially a park, then you are pretty much in Merchant City, which is a very popular place, area to visit in Glasgow. And then if you walk just like a few minutes longer, then you're really in the city centre, like Buchanan Street. Yeah, those places. Also, what's pretty close here is the Barras. It's always worth visiting as well. That's just a couple of minutes away here on foot here as well. Believe it, out there, do you notice the difference between living in Scotland and living in Germany? That the days are very short in winter and the days are so much longer in summer. Would have never thought that I would notice it that much. But yeah, I think the clocks are going back, right? Yeah, they should go back on Sunday. Well, at least there's a little bit. We're getting back completely into darkness. So crazy, because normally Glasgow Green is so busy, but now there's like literally nobody there. Over here is the People's Palace.
Can you see it?
Yeah, you can actually see
Oh, you
it
can.
surprisingly on the camera.
That's really cool.
Can't actually remember if we said which pub we're going to. Did we say that?
I don't think so.
No, going to our favourite pub. And if you don't know which one our favourite pub is, you might not have seen our pub crawl video, which I'll link up here for you. It's Whistler on the Green, and it says already in the name, it's at Glasgow Green. So hopefully they've got some spots. What a surprise, it's pretty busy. Anyway, we're gonna have our drinks and we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning to another dry morning in Glasgow, surprisingly. We're gonna head off now to the town centre, city centre. The cafe opens at 9. It is, I think, about 9:15, 9:20, so we should be there in plenty of time. We don't have a booking, but I think it's quite popular because it's like a historic cafe, and you'll see later why. So let's head there. And that's us back again. It looks very different, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, as you would expect. Yesterday when we were in the pub, we realised that here in Glasgow Green there will be the Christmas market. It's been announced that it's here this year because at George Square they're renovating it.
I think it'll be nicer.
I think so. I think it will be really nice, yeah.
I wonder if it's because it's going to be here and maybe it's nicer. They might just go and we'll do it here or here.
I don't know if we already said it in the last video, last week.
Alright.
But it feels like in the last 2 weeks, autumn has been skipped.
So it's straight to winter.
Straight to winter. It's absolutely freezing,
Cool.
but it's dry, so I honestly don't mind it. It's great. But it's not pouring down.
Bear in mind this is October.
Yeah. I really like it walking here, and it's quiet.
Yeah. Because in about 2 or 3 hours from that will be
Mobbed.
yeah.
2 or 3 hours, I feel it's getting busy already.
So when I used to come this way to work,
Yeah,
I was completely dead. It was just like lorries to stop the stores.
yeah.
It was dead eerie because obviously there's only like a couple of people walking.
We were panicking just now. Well, Ian says he wasn't, but he did ask, is it here? And I said, no, it's not. So it's given you already a hint of where we're going to. Actually, we're going to head to the tea room, Mackintosh Tea Room. I mean, that was a tea room as well.
It's also, I think they're called the Willow Tea Room, but the one that we're going to is the original one.
Yeah, the original one. And they've got a wee exhibition as well. The exhibition opens at 10, the cafe opens at 9. I have no Scooby-Doo what time it is, but I want to be there early so that we can do both, and hopefully both without booking.
9:30. When we were doing I think it was Glasgow celebrating 850 years maybe,
Yeah.
and we were up at the north west end.
Oh yeah.
Remember the building that was up there? It had like Macintosh.
Yeah.
I mean, quite a few of the buildings here obviously have Macintosh designs on them.
That was lovely, wasn't it?
It was lovely, yeah. It does smell smoky, doesn't it?
We drank it, well, Ian drank out of these. They sell them at the shop.
What,
Here.
the cups?
Yeah.
Oh, right, look. See them?
I felt so sophisticated sitting on these seats. I was like, sit straight like at school.
And I did too. And it takes a lot to make me feel sophisticated. That was the windows in the tea room that we were just in. This is the colours that I most associate with Macintosh. It's like the purple, like the deep dark purple colours.
So what do you think?
Yeah, it's interesting.
It was really good.
It's like a lot of good information, and the thing I liked about that was it has a lot of history about Glasgow.
Yeah.
Not just like, it's not just, I know it's focused on Rennie Mackintosh, but it's also got like the timeline of Glasgow.
Yeah.
Kind of showing you how the population rose and how the landscape changed. Like,
And the breakfast was really nice as well.
Yeah, it was.
Can highly recommend, actually. But maybe you probably will have to book a table, because we
I
thought
think we got lucky, yeah.
we got really lucky that they still had a table free, and people were coming in. Quite a few tables had already been reserved. So, yeah, if you want to come, then do book in advance. Anyway, I think we're going to end the video here. Do you think van life is possible in Glasgow
In Scotland's largest city?
or in Scotland's largest city?
Yeah, I would say so. And the good thing about being in a large city is that you can have a drink, go to a pub, and you can also have a nice breakfast in the morning.
No, that's true.
Not saying that the breakfasts that I make in the van usually aren't that nice, but I think that was nicer.
Anyway, thank you so much for joining us on our wee trip. And we'll see each other next Saturday. Bye!